Welcome to another Test Internals video. In the context of the software development cycle, software testing can involve many different types of testing, and sometimes it can be hard to understand what each is trying to achieve. In this video, we look at functional testing, one of the most common and popular forms of testing. Functional testing is a generic term that refers to creating tests against a system's core features and functionality. Functional testing is a black box test type where user and system functions are examined by entering input using a system device and examining its output. Unlike white box testing, the internal code logic, structure, and operations are rarely considered in functional testing and are not required to be known or understood by testers when executing tests. A user entering data into a web form displayed on a monitor and then checking the response after the data has been processed is a functional test. The user has access to the functional input mechanism, keyboard, mouse, and application, and also to the system's response to that input displayed on the monitor screen with an application response message. How the system internally processes that data is not necessarily known by the functional tester. In this sense, functional testing is focused on testing a system's expected response to a data input condition that has been specified by a user or system requirement. Most requirement-based system designs require a high level of test coverage from a functional-based test effort. Note that functional testing is one of the most common test types, but the term is a very generic and umbrella term, and many other test types such as security, system, accessibility, exploratory, ad hoc, and performance testing may also examine a system's functions to verify their objectives. The key difference is the core focus and objective of the test type itself. Functional testing always looks at and focuses on examining the core input and output behavior of the system as defined by its documented requirements.